Roman Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, is an iconic ancient amphitheatre located in the center of Rome, Italy. Construction began under Emperor Vespasian around AD 70 and was completed in AD 80 by his successor, Titus. The Colosseum could hold up to 50 to 80,000 spectators and hosted gladiatorial contests, animal hunts, and public spectacles such as mock sea battles and executions. The structure is an architectural and engineering marvel, featuring a complex system of vaults and a sophisticated design that allowed for efficient crowd management. Despite damage from earthquakes, stone robbers, and natural weathering over the centuries, it remains a symbol of the ingenuity and power of the Roman Empire. Today, the Colosseum is a major tourist attraction and an enduring symbol of Rome's historical heritage.